Today in Granny's kitchen we're going to make Easter chocolate cupcakes. So we're going to be using 6 ounces of butter, 6 ounces of sugar, but I'll probably cut that down because of all the chocolate, 6 ounces of self-raising flour and 2 ounces of good quality drinking chocolate, 2 eggs, and if we need it, we'll add a little bit of milk. So I've already got the butter weighed out here. I'm just going to weigh out some sugar. Okay, so I'm going to cream that together until it's nice and light and fluffy. Now to that mixture, I'm going to add in 6 ounces of self-raising flour, and obviously we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of drinking chocolate, and I shall sieve some of that into the bowl before I add the eggs. I won't sieve it all at this stage, just a little into the bowl before I add the eggs, and just beat that to a nice soft mixture. Pop in 1 egg. The other egg. Every so often just stop and add some more of the flour. Probably in about 3 stages should be enough. And we'll just sieve that in. And for the third lot, just get that in there as well. There we go. I think that mixture's fine. Sometimes if the eggs are quite small, you may have to add a little bit of milk, but I think just make sure you get all the dry bits beaten in there. So what we're going to do now, in our muffin tin here, we're going to add a few spoonfuls, so just about that, into each of the bun tins. Obviously these will need to cook in the oven at 180 degrees. It's 160 if it's a fan oven. The reason I haven't got any case in the end tin is just so I can easily get the tin out and in the oven. Okay, once your 22 minutes is up, take your little cakes out the oven and just place them on a wire rack until they cool for a good couple of hours. For the buttercream on top of your little chocolate cakes, we're going to sieve 8 ounces of icing sugar and 2 tablespoons of chocolate. Once all that is sieved, we're going to add 4 ounces of butter. Mix everything up. We'll try and mix it first, and we're going to add a little hot water. Well, it's 2 tablespoons of boiling water, like that's this. Take a plastic bag, or if you have a piping bag, just cut a little end off and place your nozzle in there, because we're going to pipe the little nests. Just put a little in the middle, and to finish off, we're going to add maybe just 3 on the top for Easter.